Hello, this is Abhinandan. Today is 12th June 2024. I just came on the first day itself to see the Jakarta Fair. This is Abhinandan. So I'm going right now inside. Outside only I see a lot of two-wheelers this side. The other side are the cars. Let me go inside. I did not know that you have to pay a ticket. Every day there's a ticket system. Some 40,000, 50,000, 60,000. So I'm taking a ticket. I have no idea you have to take a ticket which is 50,000 rupiah. I'm seeing everywhere there are vehicles like this. You see like this. I'm surprised. But the ticket is 50,000 per day. Per day. So I entered with 50,000. There are some coupons given. A lot of. Oh, what is that? Oh, there's a lot of people selling something. Let me go inside and see. So this is Abhinandan here. So I'm entering right now. Let me go talk to BCA people. Can I? Do you speak in English?
A little, sir.
Okay. I am from India. I want to know whether foreigners can open a bank account.
Bank account. BCA.
Everywhere people are there, but I'm surprised. People pay 40,000 or 50,000 and come inside. Okay, so let me explore this place today. This is the first day. Today, June 12th, 2024. So let me go one by one and check on the first day and later see. It only opens at evening 4 o'clock I heard and closes by 10 o'clock. But I heard that a lot of people do come over here. So let me stop, but many people don't speak English. That's one of the issue. Okay, now let me stop and then let me take some recording where it is important. It is pretty huge, and what I'm surprised is there are a lot of discounts. Everything is discount. Tempted to buy everything. Okay, so everything what they give is some offers are there or discounts are there. I already purchased for two things. How much is that?
This 55.
Oh, 55, yeah? Oh, this is for babies. Okay, but I see a lot of things. Many things are very reasonable. But what is that?
This packet is 30,000 for you get two.
What is that?
Coffee milk, coffee milk.
Coffee milk, that is a powder.
With milk, yes.
Oh, coffee is there?
Yes, this is coffee
Okay.
with milk.
What do you mean? Creamer is already put inside?
Yes.
So what is that in your hand?
They're ready to drink.
How much is that?
This is four for 20,000.
And that one is?
This one two for 30,000 and you get a free glass.
Oh, you got a free glass? One
Yes.
second. From outside, I have not seen fully. Today is the first day. So I'm going inside also. It's very huge, it's very gigantic. But what I found is lot of offers. Lot of offers, you get lot of discounts. I heard that people telling that this is the time, oh, these are all the chairs over here, massage chairs. Okay. It's a very gigantically huge with lot of discounts. So let me check. But every day you have to pay 50,000. This is a huge crowd inside also, inside and outside. Okay. See the kind of, this is some Aqua brand. See the size of the TV. Okay. It is, how much is this? Oh, 51 million. 51 million means I'll tell you how much it will be. 98 inch. 98 inch is 51 million. You can say 52. You work here? Okay, how? So this is what? You speak English? No English? Okay. So this is a very huge one. Some people speak English, so I talk to them. But this is a different band. See, Smart TV, Easier Life, Google. I'll tell you how much is 51 million. 1 million is 5,000. 51 million, huh?
51 million.
You multiply by 50. You multiply by 51 into 5,000 rupees is 2.5 lakh rupees. This is about 2.5 lakh to 3 lakh rupees. This TV is 98 inch. Okay, 50 into 5,000 rupees. At this place right now, continuing with the video, it's a huge rush over here. This is Abhinandan. Okay, I'm looking at this N3. So N3 is 7.8, 26 million. So this is the phone. I want to buy this phone, what they say, a foldable phone. I'm seeing everything, including Oppo and the other one Honor. And this one is 27 million. 27 million means 27 millions means for example, so 27 million means about 1,48,000 rupees. 1,48,000 is Oppo, this one, but I have to check in India how much it is. 16 GB RAM, 512. What's the offer you get? See this fellow breaking the phone. Break it. Break it. He is breaking it, walnut. Breaking this phone. Which phone is that? Show me the phone. Show me. Oh, wow.
Once again.
Once again. One is breaking the screen and Oppo A60. Oh my God. Is it broken? Show me here. Oh. Is it broken? Okay. Surprising, huh? People are watching it. I'm just going around. This is like a never-ending this one. People from India are missing it. I'm telling you. This is too huge. I'm just there somewhere in one corner right now. This is quite huge. I came from inside. Inside there's AC. I just came like this. And here there's one more part. I went there. I came to know right now at 7 p.m. the president is going to come. So this is why people are waiting over here. And the funny thing is, I went and asked the security what time he's coming, what time is the president coming. He is looking at me and looking what am I asking for. He's looking at my bag and all. Thinking whether I'm going to be the next hit man. Okay. So that was very funny, and let me go inside and then come. Oh, I just stopped right now and asked someone, so the bikes are coming right now. The cars are coming over there. This is a very huge fair. I've never seen something like this. Not even in Dubai. What I used to see in Dubai was something very big, I used to think. But this is more gigantic, more bigger than Dubai. See, the president has come over there. The cars have come. See, the cars are coming. So you can see over there. I'm a little far. Okay. So if someone tries to shoot him off, I should not be caught in the fire. See the pole. So a lot of security is coming. I think it's not come yet. I'll go inside. So outside the president is going to come. It's very hot. I came inside. See, there is a word called trust in gold. Trust in gold. But anyhow, let me see when the president will come. I'll go inside. In the video, this girl explained to me how to use this. Okay. So from outside I just came inside because it is hot outside over there. Okay, wow, nice. I'm just seeing everything on the first day. But the amazing things are, I purchased some things, a lot of things are discounted price. But the only disadvantage is every time you have to pay. Every day you have to pay. Every day it is about 50,000 rupiah means it is about, what to say, about 250 rupees. In India, where it will be 250 rupees. It will be 50 or 100 rupees. But this is quite big and you get a lot of discounted products. They say people come for the discounts only. There's only one area where I'm just right now. So it is typically usually very big. That's why it is for 30 days. senior citizen. This man, he had a VIP pass. He had a VIP pass, and I asked him at the entrance. They told only with the VIP pass you get an entrance inside. So I just asked him. See, that is a person we exchange numbers also. He's a businessman, and he allowed me inside. He told, "You want to go inside?" I told, "Yes, sir." So I just came inside. See, that is the power of asking. I don't have a VIP pass. Okay, the president is sitting somewhere over there in the front. Okay, now let me show you. He's a businessman over there. So this is the fair event launch day, I think. So this is only for people with a special invitation, a very special invitation, a nicely printed invitation. But I am inside. How? Because I applied Matthew 7:7. You know what is Matthew 7:7? Ask and you shall receive. There at the entrance where the security is there, okay, they told, no, we won't allow you inside, show us the invitation. So it was a printed invitation card, but I told I don't have. So I asked a businessman, then he told, okay, I'll take you inside because 2 people can go. So I'm inside right now. I spoke to him, I met him, and inside also, and we exchanged our numbers. But the reason I'm inside is, you know why? Because I ask. If you don't ask, you don't get. He's the president talking over there right now. Okay, on the big screen you can see.
Kabinet Indonesia Maju, Panglima TNI dan Kapolri, beserta seluruh jajaran.
Jakarta Fair Kemayoran 2024 telah hadir dibuka.
That is the president over there who inaugurated the Jakarta Fair with the over there. That was the inauguration. So after the president inaugurated, so let me go out. There will be a lot of cultural events. So I thought, why should I waste time about the cultural events? All people are, that's very nicely done. That's at the outside and the front. In the front of the restaurant, all people recording it. So this is very interesting. You have to visit Jakarta during the Jakarta Fair, which starts from today, June 12th, till July 12th for 1 month. See, many people do not know what is the best time to visit different cities in the world. Either it is USA or Dubai or Jakarta or Malaysia. People should know the best time. Anyhow, I will go out right now. The event will continue. Anyhow, I just came out. It may be still a lot of other events. The president will go, I think. So this is the first day I entered. And there were people over here who told me about this one. It will be very nice. I am going there. This is very funny. These people have stopped them here. I am walking in the center. There is a security on either side to hold. I'll stand over there. Okay. And security on the either side holding the people. Okay, and this is how it is. So let me stop somewhere. I think the president will go like this. I am walking in the center right now. The president is walking and coming from there. Okay, I think he's in the white cloth in the center. People are standing like this, and I am here. Okay, the space is empty, and I'm over here, and there's a security person here. So he's walking and coming. So I'll pause it for a few seconds and then start again. He's the guy with the white shirt over there. With the white shirt is coming. Okay. People are screaming as he's coming. This is the president of Indonesia capturing on my mobile. He's over here. People are taking selfie photos. People are taking selfie photos. He's the president. So this is the president of Indonesia. I came to the Jakarta fair and today is the first day. So he's over there. That's the president over there, the president head. Okay. And here a milk boat over here. So many people here. That's the president. I got a nice view of him. Sitting for a long time at this particular shop. That is a white shirt person in this particular milk booth in the milk life. He's sitting here. A lot of people around. I am just behind him. So he's having milk. Everyone are having the milk. This is the president over here with the white shirt. In the milk booth outside. This is all security people. That's the president. The backside. All of those people are having ice cream. The president is also having ice cream and the milk. I'm just behind about some 6 feet. I am about not 6 feet, about 10 feet. 10 feet behind the president. This is a security guy, that's a security guy. These are all people over here. So of all the places, he's come to my favorite place, milk place. I like milk. So he drank milk and he's having ice cream right now, the Indonesian president. That's the back side. We cannot go the front side. The president stood up. Let me see what will happen. Okay. Start again, That's the president. I have been stopped over here. See the hand for me. This is the security person. And that's the president of Indonesia in a milk booth. This is like a milk booth, and see the people outside over there. I am the nearest one of the see people very far there, that side and all. Okay, and all this was constructed few days ago. Oh, he stood. Let me see whether he'll come this side. Okay. Going that side. Shoot hand, that's the president. He's taking a selfie. Okay. They're all very happy. Okay, now I will stop. I won't go that side right now because it will be too rushed and a lot of people will be there. I will go this side. This side is an AC place. This is my recording of the president who came for the Indonesian president, but that side is a AC place. Okay, this is a nice experience for me, for Abhinandan, and I came back this side instead of going that side would be too much and lot of offers here. See, all this was constructed when I came here for another exhibition, what you are seeing here. Okay, so there are a lot of offers over here, but I'll go inside the AC hall. Okay, instead of here I'm sweating little, so I'll go that side. So that was the president, this one. All many things are very reasonable compared to outside. Okay, so a lot of things, you ask anything, see this is some traditional food, but unfortunately they won't know English. Well, anyone knows English? No English? Okay. What is this? Okay. Something. But some will know English. So I'll go inside now. When you go inside, you will have the AC. So a lot of discounts and all are there. I've got some coupons, but only disadvantage is every day there's a ticket of 2,500, 250 rupees. 250 rupees. So I left the president there. I'm going inside right now. It's from here. This is one of their electric cars manufactured here. Yeah, this is also probably their electric car. Hello, their electric car. Oh, huh? I'll come. So all this what you're seeing that side, this was all recently constructed. Okay, they construct and destroy for 1 month. And so I will go inside one of the hall. This side is open air and this side is you know what, we go inside, it is with AC. So how long to keep watching the president? So I'll go inside here. So those who are watching this in India, one thing I've repeated already, you have to know, I was told by many people, don't miss the Jakarta fair. Okay, the businessman who's my friend over here told, this is only first day. On Saturday, Sunday, it is on morning time. And it will be, you know what, are these electric bikes? Electric. Okay. So it's very good. It's very, you know what, reasonable. Some of the things to keep buying and eating. So all these are bikes, all the China bikes, everything you'll get here. So these are electric cars. Electric cars. My friend, the businessman here, told me I want to take something like this. Okay. So here inside it is cool, AC. So I was just behind the president of Indonesia. So I just waited over there until he finished drinking the milk and ice cream. And he's still going. All these are electric vehicles. Many of them manufactured in Indonesia. Are all these manufactured here? You speak English?
Yes.
This is all manufactured in Indonesia?
Yeah. This is rolling. It's
Huh?
a small car.
There's a small car. Oh, open the door for me. Oh,
The small car is 4-seater.
4-seater. Okay. What is the mileage it gives?
Sorry?
How many kilometers?
This is 300.
300 kilometers.
Yeah.
That's very good. I'll come again. What's the name of this? Wuling.
Wuling is from China.
It's from China,
Yeah.
but someone told me it is manufactured here in Indonesia. Which one is manufactured in Indonesia? Electric car.
Electric car. This is an electric car.
This is electric, but manufactured where?
Yeah.
In Indonesia or China?
In Indonesia.
Indonesia.
It's electric car.
This is manufactured where?
Yeah.
Indonesia
China.
or China only?
It's
Okay.
all from China.
Okay.
But in production in Indonesia.
It is produced here.
Produced in Indonesia.
But you say it is from China?
The Wulings is from China.
Oh, Wuling is from China,
Yeah,
but it is produced here.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay. So, all kind of... see, that's an advantage. What you see over here is what you don't get in India. Let me tell you. See, I am telling you very directly. Other people don't tell. That is why they shift. They shift. See, why are thousands of business people coming and opening businesses in Indonesia? Is because they get the advantage of China. And they repack the things and they send it back to India in a different way. That is what I heard. So this side is all car showroom. but I'm cooling myself. From car I will go to the other side. Let me pause it for a few seconds. So all this is the car side and all the electric bike, and less people are here. Other places more people. Okay. So this is Toyota. Now the advantage is if you make money, we have to make money. You have to make money with the business which is over here very smartly. That's what I am telling my friends. You have to make money with the business in USA, with the business in Dubai, with the business in Malaysia or Indonesia. Earn money there itself and then own a property there itself. We'll come to that later. But you should have the capacity to start with 90,000 rupees. People cry. Unfortunately, I do not know I'm getting such people. There are business people also who are coming and taking. Okay. But if you have 90,000 rupees and if you are ready to come to Indonesia or Malaysia, you will know how to purchase a health device for yourself and your. Don't come to conclusion, ask. When someone told me about this, I asked. I came here. A couple of people told me about visiting the Jakarta fair. So I took the initiative to come. I do not know, I came to one company here called Haston. How much is this? You speak English? You don't know? I have one something like that. Ask someone what is the cost of this. Yeah, what is the cost of this particular device machine? See, I have like this, but I paid in India 15,000 rupees. But this fellow is very small. How much is this, sir?
721.
Huh?
721,000.
No, so how many? 7 million?
No, 700.
Or 700?
100,000.
So less than a million?
No.
No. Is it a million? 1 million rupiah?
No.
700,000.
700,000.
That is this whole thing.
Yes, the whole thing.
Whole thing with this.
Exclude this one.
Or not that pipe.
The pipe, yeah.
Okay, very good. 700,000 means you just multiply 3,500 rupees. 3,000, just to blow it over there.
Yes.
See, very powerful.
721,000.
721,000. That means in India it is less than $80. It is $70.
I don't know in the India.
Yeah, it's about $70. Okay, so not even $70. It's about $50.
Sorry?
It's about $50.
Oh,
Okay, so it's very good. $50.
all of it. Exclude this one.
No, that pipe is not there. That's okay. You have to connect that to the water.
Yes, you can
Okay.
focus. You can focus.
Wow. Very. Oh, different is there.
Focus and spread.
Okay, it's only 700,000.
721,000.
721,000 is less than, I'll tell you how much. It's about 3,500 rupees. Thank you, I'll come again later. How much is this?
This one.
This is manufactured in Indonesia
390,000.
for 390,000. So it is about not even 2,500. It's about 1,500 rupees. I'll come again. See, that's why people told me it's very, very, very cheap. See, that is only that machine is 3,500 rupees. 3,500, 4,000. I do not know how many of you watched this one so far. So I am moving around over here. All these are electric bikes. Okay, and so I was wondering why Indian people come and open businesses and offices over here. Because they enjoy the best things what they don't enjoy in India, and they don't tell anyone else. They don't tell anyone else.
Mudah, cepat, gak ribet.
See, this I purchased in Malaysia. Here it is 2,500 rupees. 2,500 rupees this one is. Okay, but in Malaysia I purchased for 1,200. 1,200 rupees I purchased. Okay, it's become very this one. So anywhere there's a steamer and a slow juicer, I always see it. So what is this?
This one is fish steam.
Fish steamer.
Yeah.
But what is this? Oh, you can use two.
Yeah.
Oh, and this is steel.
This one is for steam.
Okay.
This one is for hot pot.
Hot pot. Okay.
Yeah.
But 1 minute. I'll keep this back here. Okay. I'm having some ice cream also over there. This is a hot pot.
Yeah, this one is for steam too.
Okay. But where is a bowl inside? There's no bowl. I want a bowl also.
Oh, we don't have a bowl.
Why? So you can put hot water here?
No, the hot pot is here.
No, hot water is here.
Yeah. Hot water is over here.
Yeah, she does not know that. Okay, hot water is here.
Yeah. If you want to steam, of course you have to put the water here.
Okay.
Then you can put the food over here.
And what is this one for?
This is for soups.
Okay.
One.
Oh, very good.
One is for if you want to steam.
Okay.
Some
But
pizza or something.
but I want to know, you should have a bowl for it. You don't have a bowl?
Oh, you don't have to put a bowl right
Because everything will fall inside. I want, if I'm making a rice or something.
Oh, if rice right over here is okay.
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah.
And then this one comes top. How do you know they are numbered? Or they're numbered?
Number of what?
Okay, what is the total price of it? Is
The total price is no. Is what?
which one?
Dia nanyain ada fish steam.
Oh, what's fish steam?
Ah,
Fish first. Yeah, this one. This one is the price.
950,000.
Yes.
So it is less than 1 million.
Yeah, 1 million, but not really 1 million. You still have to get a
50,000 less. So both this and this. Take out this one now. This is steel. Where is it from? China or Indonesia?
It's the technology is from Korea, so we do the research and development in Korea.
Okay. Keep this over here.
Oh yeah. You want one?
Wait, I'll take it. Today is my first day.
Sorry?
Today is my first day I'm coming.
Yeah?
I'll come tomorrow also. And you have to pay me the ticket back, 50,000. Okay.
I cannot. I'm sorry.
Why you cannot? You'll ask, open this one top. It is very heavy. There's a very heavy glass. This glass is a tempered glass.
It's the glass is called borosilicate glass.
Okay.
It's a thicker version
Okay.
of regular glass.
Okay, and only this one is 757 or 800,000.
Yes.
800,000 means about 4,000 rupees. This is 4,000 rupees. This comes to around 5,000 rupees, Indian rupees. Okay.
You went here for holiday or?
I've come here for some business.
Okay.
Since you know English, I want your number.
My number?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fine. Okay.
Okay.
So do you want this one?
I will choose which one to take, either this or that one.
Okay. So
Because it
tomorrow
is
you
steel.
will come back here?
Huh?
Tomorrow you will come back here?
I'll come back again.
You just take it today lah. It's fine.
Today I won't take. Why should I carry today? Today I have other things to take.
Okay.
Okay, let me have your number. I'm just shopping here like this, seeing something very unique. And talking for. Though this is a Muslim country, they say it is at the entrance of the gate. See, at the entrance of the gate, you see a Hindu god. See the done. What is this? How they have done it, and there is a Om over there. Can you see the Om? Can you see the Om? That's the Om. This is like the four-headed god, means must be Brahma or something like that. But the Hindu god, I don't want to go inside because I'm wearing a, yeah, it is Brahma. Let me open the shoes. I open my shoes. I'm going inside. Okay. But though they say it's a Hindu or Muslim, this one, see the word Brahma is there. Can you see the word Brahma? Okay. So, inside this exhibition, at the entrance of the gate, I just entered here without asking. This is the god, and with lot of this one neatness, they have worship. They made a place of worship, and no one is there. And this is Abhinandan here. Okay, the oil and all they have kept here, and they have here. But I saw the I thought it must be a Buddhist god or something like that, Chinese. But the word Brahma is written over there, Mahabrahma. So even in a Muslim country, in the main entrance of this expo, they are worshipping a Hindu god. That is something amazing. So this is at gate 2. This god, which they are worshipping at the entrance, is at gate 2A. So I just recorded it, Lord Brahma. I am just going around the circumference of this particular place. Here I see, have you seen something like this in India? Anyone tell me? This is a bank called BCA Bank. Our company, global company also takes this credit card. You can start with even 1.3 million, but this is a vehicle. But inside the vehicle, there are 3 ATM machines. 1, 2, 3. So people use your cash, but still there's people in this particular place. See, such a nice thing. So every corner, I am just going on the first day itself. See the beauty of the place. Here are less people, and the water fountain is that side. But I'm just recording everything. I'm going from the whole circumference of this place. But I'm amazed. See this particular vehicle, okay, BCA, our global company with the health technology deals with this people credit card. If you have 1.3 million IDR, which is about 7,000 rupees, less than 7,000 rupees or 370 ringgit, you can start a global business starting from Indonesia. This is Abhinandan on the first day. I will be adding this also in between, but on 12th June 2024 in Jakarta Fair. Okay, this is at one end I've come, very less people are there. So let me walk that side also. And so just recording everything and going at the end. That side is too much rush, but here this side very less people are there. Just to see the whole area, I am going around, but I am amazed. See, ATM vehicle for people. Though there are ATMs inside also that side, I'm seeing over here. They have done the Eiffel Tower over there. Oh my God! I got some sound. What a sound is that? So you can get a nice cool air over here. But let me go. I'm just going on the circumference of this particular Jakarta Fair. So this is the beauty what you are seeing, and it is very huge, really huge. So this is that Holland windmill. Probably, if I can recognize. This side there are less people because people are all over there in that particular shopping place. So let me go like this also. I'm recording this. See this, very nice. You can feel the coolness of this water falling on you, the mist. Okay, so earlier you saw me taking the video of the president. And this is Abhinandan. So now there are less people. This is an opportunity for you. See, you have to visit at right times a different country. I know when the right time to visit USA. I know the right time to visit Dubai. I know the right time to visit Malaysia. Okay, or Singapore, or China, or Japan. See, everything has a right time. Unfortunately, people do not know. People get carried away and just go by someone who is a travel agent. But Abhinandan, people are, hesitant to talk. Okay, So these are all very nice places to make business videos. Standing here, when you come, you can make business videos and show like this. Okay? See, very nicely they have done and very less people over here. And today is a weekday. Is it Wednesday today? 12th? 10th was, okay, maybe Wednesday. But Saturday, Sunday it will be too rush. So now people left here. So these are very nice places here where you can make small 1 minute business intro, business trailer videos. So I'm combining all these videos. So now you have to speak to Abhinandan if you watch so far. People today are not confident. You know that your brain does not work to speak. Your brain is being designed, programmed to only scroll and look at the junk things. I also feel guilty. Okay, sometimes I'll be scrolling for 2 hours, 3 hours also. But I will have another video or another information working while I am watching something. Yesterday whole night I was just nearly for 3 hours watching that Darshan actor who murdered someone in Bangalore. So anyhow, I'm just going around before it finishes at 10 o'clock, and that side I went to the shopping. All the recordings are there. So contact Abhinandan, speak to Abhinandan, be confident to speak. And when you speak, learn to ask the right question. See, when someone sends me information, I tell them, yes, I have 90,000 rupees. Yes, I have 30,000, 40,000 rupees to travel. Yes, I want to know how I can earn $2,000 to $5,000 to $10,000 per month. My goal is to earn $10,000 per month. In this business, I'm setting up the business visa right now over here. Okay, I got the local mobile. I took a rented house. And there's a reason I've already explained to you. Why smart people from India are coming and opening businesses over here. See, only when you travel, you will understand it. Only when you travel. If you do not travel, you do not understand. So if you do not travel, you do not understand. So you have, when you travel with a business, it is a lot of good things. So you have to travel. So this is a nice place they left. It's a nice place to sit here. So you should be able to come to Jakarta at the right time with 90,000 for the business. I won't waste my time if you're not joining the business earning. If you're not interested in a health asset. But I would invest my time, tell you what is the best things to buy. See, now I want to buy a lot of things. But today what I've seen only, I want to buy more than 20,000 rupees worth of things now. Which I won't buy immediately. I will check it online. I will check the prices and all those things. Here there are less people. People are all in the shopping area. But I just came, let me see the circumference of the whole area. So I'll go back over there